Okay, what's up, guys?
I gotta tell you something cool.
My wife is gonna do a challenge with me and my son, and we're gonna close our eyes and she's gonna let us taste some Korean snacks that she knows what it is, but we don't. So I'm guessing that it's gonna be snacks that we might not like. But we're gonna have our eyes closed, so I'm just hoping for the best. Like, if it tastes like crap, I'm scared that I might spit it out, eh? Okay, guys, phase one. Let's go.
Let's start off with something easy.
Okay, this feels like a chip, so I'm guessing I'm gonna like it.
Okay, have a taste.
Oh, that's good. Do you like it, son?
Yeah.
It tastes nice.
What it tastes like?
Prawn. Tastes like prawn.
Guys.
Prawn? Prawn. Guys,
Popcorn.
trust me, I've got the best taste buds.
Next one.
Okay, close your eyes.
Does look like
Hands out. Taste test.
Ugh.
Oh. What?
Just eat it. Just jump it.
Hey.
Like this.
That's good.
Pringles. Let's go. Alright.
Smoked Galabi. I was right, barbecue again. I'm just too good. I feel like I'm gonna annoy my wife because of how good I am, guys.
I didn't know what it was gonna be. I didn't know what it was gonna be.
Interesting. Of Oreos.
I like it.
Oreo thins.
Oh, yum. That is actually good.
Oh, yeah.
Really? Oh, okay. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Closed.
Hold on. Stop.
Oh.
If Saba win, you get $1,100.
Eyes.
Is it?
And taste.
Oh,
Dried pear.
oh, yeah.
Ugh.
Wait, Dad.
I didn't like that.
Do it like this.
You cannot cheat.
Cannot, brothers.
Because this guy's a cheater.
Have you tasted all these snacks?
No.
It's a bit yum.
Alright. Taste.
Yum.
What's
It's a
the
lolly.
flavor?
Grape.
Apples are great.
They're grapes.
Think of my honey.
You're welcome, my honey.
If they made a chewing gum out of this, they would sell a lot of money. For the rest of the video, my son was cheating and I think Karma got him back because his nose started bleeding. So it's just going to be me for the rest of the video, chat.
Whatever.
Alright, hand out.
Alright,
Like you're holding a burger.
Check it.
Oh. I thought it was your foot. Oh.
How was that?
Okay, that's good, but not my cup of tea, but this is good.
Open.
What makes it good?
The custard, whatever's inside, and the bun itself, like, amazing.
Do you know why you'd like the bun?
Why?
Open your eyes.
Open.
Red velvet?
Yeah.
Oh
Chaz
my
loves red velvet.
gosh.
How fresh is the cream though? Does it
That's
taste
so,
really good?
yeah. That's such a smart snack.
Let's do something sweet. Really nice and sweet.
Your fingers?
Yep.
Oh. Listen, I love fish, but there's just some things you don't try and invent, and that you do not make fish chips. That's yuck.
It's not a fish chip.
What is it?
Look at the packaging.
Seasoned dry fish. No. That's not it.
Hand out.
Dad, open. It's gotta be yum.
Chocolate hazelnut. That is good. That was a bit sweet. 8 out of 10.
Sorry, I'm at home.
Chaz will like these. Wait, do a little smell test. Smell?
Smells like my vape.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Hand up.
Mom, you say, are you?
Give that shit right.
This would be your favorite.
Hold it down. 10 out of 10.
Really good?
Yeah.
Wow.
This was fun.
Different?
Something new.
Ooh.
Very, not bland, just very scrumptious.
Yeah.
Yeah.